This is NT9194. I'm just going to make sure that we're still actually... Restream hasn't died in the butt. Oh, no. Hey, Guinea. Yes, there's a few left. All right, let's do this thing. Good luck to all. We're going to randomize this list 5 times. Haven't seen anything too big from this case yet, so we're waiting on it. Good luck. Restream just decides to break sometimes and completely ruin my day. 5 times, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is the Heat. Oh, 5 times the Heat are on top. Is this the one I shit the bed in? No, it's not. Okay. Oh, wow, that could have ruined me. Nice. All right, here we go. 9194. Let's do it. Oh, good cracking. That's a cracking crack. There's like 2 teams left or something in 9283 now, so get involved. All right. Up first, 299. De'Aaron Foxy, 22 of 99 for the Kings. A 1-1, Emmanuel Quickly, 1-1 printing plate. Russell Westbrook for the Lakers, 299 game gear. 18 of 25, Bam Adebayo for the Heat. I tell you what, the Kings have just kept up their momentum here. 249, De'Aaron Fox, rookie. It's not rookie, just a Clutch Factor jersey auto, or whatever they're called. Yeah, Clutch Factor, 26 of 49. Miles McBride, the Devil Cried, rookie patch autographs, NBA 75th anniversary. That is the Reds to 75. Treasures, that is what you are, to 99 of Lou Dort. Aaron Gordon for Orlando to 99. To 49, it is Bobby Portis for the Bucks. And finally, 15 of 49 for the Bulls, Kirk Hinrich. That is National Treasures 9194.